All right, guys, do me a favor. Hit us up in the comments. If you have questions on how we bid this or how much material we used, etc., leave a comment. Or if you're doing this for your own driveway, hit us in the comments. We'll answer all your questions. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So this is just going to be a nice quick voiceover for you. So today we're resurfacing a gravel driveway. You can see in the center of it, there's a ton of overgrowth. When I was talking to the guy, he said it's been about 20 years since they've touched the driveway. And so what we're going to do is we're going to strip out all the overgrowth in the center, get it back down to gravel, grade everything off, slope it so all the water drains correctly, kind of smooth in, fill in all the holes, and then we're going to go through and we quoted this one at about 3 inches of crushed asphalt. And yeah, it's kind of cool, so we didn't have to haul anything away. This customer is letting us use it in their horse pasture. They have a bunch of low spots by the gate, so we're just adding the material in there and grading it out for them. You can see we're cutting out all the old grass and stuff. Typically, like on these driveways, we don't go all crazy. We just kind of strip everything out and then lay the material right over top of it. And everybody's got their own little process, but what I like to do is get the most out of my material. I spread it across the entire driveway, fill in like all the low spots, and then I go through and grade everything with the bucket evenly so it's all sloped and smooth, and that way I don't waste any material just putting it all in one spot. I like to kind of sprinkle it over everything. That way we're running efficiently, and that way everything is used correctly and there's not gravel and stuff all over the yard. But typically, this is the product we like to use on gravel driveways. So far, for me, it's the best that I've found. It keeps the dust down. It doesn't get muddy when it rains. It looks nice with like grass and stuff. The black blends in good. It's a lot better than like crushed concrete and stuff where you still get that muddy appearance, and then when it rains, you still get mud, and then when it's really dry, it gets really dusty. So, to me, in my opinion, the crushed asphalt's the best product to use. But yeah, this is quick resurfacing. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, share, hit up a merch store, all the above. We got tons of how-to videos. If you got questions on how we bid this or size of it or how much material it took for us to do this driveway, hit us up in the comments below. Like, the more comments, the better. We like all the questions and feedback we can get.